Lecture, I'm going to solve this differential equation and this is the given. So let's see the answer. So first here writing the given exponential, then after tan y dx, okay, and then after plus 1 minus exponential sec square y dy equal to 0. So this is the given. After that, first thing is I'm going to move this all. So I'm going to move this all into the right. So here, so now going to write exponential, then after tan y and here dx. So this we can write here 1 minus e power x, and this is here minus and sec square y dy. After that, the next is here y part. You should here this that I'm going move on into the right, and here this is now x part exponential, then after dx, and this moving on the left. So this is on the multiplication, this will go on the division. So 1 minus exponential, then after it's equal here sec square y dy divided by tan y. Okay, tan y. Now after doing this, the next thing is here. So there is one more line, this minus that I'm going to put on the above. So exponential, then after dx, and 1 minus e power x or exponential, and this is here sec square y dy divided by tan y. After doing this, let's include the integration on the both side. So here writing integrating both sides. So there we can write minus and here exponential dx divided by 1 minus, and then after here also sec square y dy divided by tan y. After that, the next is, so the next is here I'm going to assume 1 minus e power x, that's equal to z, then here dz equal to 1 differentiation 0, exponential differentiation the same, and here dx. So this we can write dz equal to minus exponential dx. Okay, and for this one, so for this one here, so now let assume v equal to tan y, then dv equal to tan differentiation, that is sec square y dy. Okay, now the next is after doing this, so there I'm going to write, so now minus exponential dx placed, we can put here dz, and 1 minus ex, that is equal to z. After that, this here integration symbol, so sec square y dy place we can put here v, and tan y place v, and after that here the integration of 1 by z, that is here log z. Then after let's include here constant part, so log c, then after here 1 by v integration log v. Thereafter we need to put the value of z and v. So z is now z equal to 1 minus ex, so that here we can write, so here we can write log Then after z value is now 1 minus e power x, and here log c. So this is the constant, and then after v value is now tan y. So after that, here you know one important formula, log a b, that is equal to log a plus log b. So that here log a plus log b, so this place we can write here log c, that writing first, then after here 1 minus e power x. Okay, and then after here let's use the rectangle bracket, and this is now log tan c, tan y. Then both side has the log, so log going to eliminate, so c 1 minus exponential, then after here you can get tan y, or there is one more line, so this is now tan y, that is equal to c 1 minus exponential. So this is the general solution of this differential equation. So one time going to repeat this all. So here the important thing is first write the all given, then after you should put x part in one side and y part in one side, do the integration on both side, then after you can get these terms. Assume then here 1 minus ex, that is z, then dz equal to this all, and v equal to tan y, then here dv equal to sec² y dy. Then put the value 1 by z integration log z. So here plus log c, because so c is the arbitrary constant you should include. So both side has the log, so that here I include log c. Then after log a into b, log a plus log a into b, log a plus log b, and then after here you should use this, and here c 1 minus ex that come, that is tan y, or we can write tan y equal to c 1 minus ex exponential. So this is the general solution of this question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See next video. Thank you.